Shifting tracks, political blame game in Karnataka over a 2017 murder, which CBI probe has now concluded as accidental. Congress leader Siddaramaiah trains guns at Bombay government, says report is a slap on the face of BJP. Back in 2017, BJP had alleged Paresh was in fact murdered. We have Neha live with us. Neha, Siddaramaiah attacking the BJP, saying BJP should apologize for the slanderous campaign that it had initiated at that time. Take us through the details of this 2017 case and the outrage over it when it happened.
Yes, absolutely, Radhika. This was in December 2017 that we saw that, there were clashes between two groups, following which about 2 days later, the body of Paresh Mesta, one of those who was involved in these clashes, was found floating in the Shettikere lake in Honavar, in fact, in Karnataka. Days after this, we saw how the state government over here, in fact, in Karnataka, and several senior BJP leaders from the Uttar Kannada district, had raised this issue and even started a campaign saying that, saying that Paresh Mesta was murdered, that this wasn't an accidental death. It's important to mention over here that back then even the post-mortem report had suggested that this was accidental. The Karnataka police also that had investigated this case, had mentioned that this was accidental. Following this, we saw how several senior BJP leaders like Anant Kumar Hegde, Shobha Karandlaje, Mr. K.S. Ishwarappa back then also, and a few other MLAs as well had raked up this issue, taken it to the governor and demanded that a thorough CBI probe be carried out in the matter. There was a massive campaign that was carried out by the state BJP back then, demanding that justice be given to Paresh Mesta. The entire state, in fact, was taken by surprise with this very campaign that had begun back then, following which the case was eventually later transferred to the CBI later in December. And after a thorough investigation, it was yesterday that we saw in Honavar court, the CBI, in fact, has submitted their investigation report, which suggests that this wasn't a murder, but was a mere accident. So, understandably so, now, you have the Congress party in Karnataka that has raked up this issue and said that the BJP back then had started a slanderous campaign for their political gains and that this was really an accident. So again, a new flashpoint now between the state BJP as well as the Congress over here in the state of Karnataka.
All right. So Congress attacking the BJP after the CBI termed this murder as accidental. Thank you, Neha, for bringing all those updates from Karnataka.